Welcome back. Well, a nice one today after the morning clouds. Another beauty tomorrow. Clouds coming in, though, tomorrow night with rain and storms likely for portions of Wednesday with our next cool front. So let's get to it and take a look at that upper level pattern. High pressure pretty much large and in charge across the northwest Gulf. Mostly dry air now, but we do have some storms showing up just off to our east. Some of the remnants of Raphael. We'll get to that in just a bit. This upper trough is going to bring in our next front as we move into Wednesday, pushing this high pressure off to the east and opening up the door for at least slightly cooler air. Today was very slightly cooler. We're going to get back closer to what we would expect in November. That's highs in the lower 70s, lows in the lower 50s come Thursday, Friday, and going into the weekend. Big picture across the U.S., relatively quiet. Rain and snow at elevation out in the west. That's good for the wildfire situation there. Not a whole lot else going on across the area. We do have some of those showers and storms, which, interestingly enough, earlier today, we're over toward the Florida Panhandle and moving to the east. Now this is kind of nearly stationary. It looks like it's drifting to the southwest. And there's a little bit of a rhyme to the reason. The remnants of Raphael is out here. We'll show you that in just a bit. Meanwhile, though, as we go into the tropics, we have another area just as we're getting ready to say, well, we're close to the end of hurricane season. Maybe another one may want to develop at least a tropical storm, perhaps a hurricane here in the northwest Caribbean. But it looks like it's going to dance around the Caribbean. Not a threat to Louisiana for sure. But we do see a storm developing here and kind of meandering around in the Caribbean. The GFS model not as doing as well this time of year, building a tropical storm and keeping it in the Caribbean, then trying to shoot it north and maybe toward Florida. But we're going to have plenty of frontal action coming in, so no concerns to us. So as we take a look at the HRRR model here, notice we have, again, look at the lines of low pressure right here. That's the remnants of Raphael. There's the rain sparking up tomorrow morning. We get down into the lower 60s. Then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, you see those clouds coming in from the southeast. So is the moisture. And there's that remnant circulation of Raphael kind of just barely showing up. But this one's going to be innocuous, not produce a whole lot in the way of any kind of tropical weather. But there could be some enhanced thunderstorms that could possibly produce a severe storm or two. But that's mainly going to be over eastern portions of Louisiana. Here comes that front. It gets here Wednesday evening. Thursday we'll be feeling much better. As for rainfall, not expecting a whole lot, but we have that tropical wild card there that's coming in. So there could be a few spots that catch several inches of rain. This is the latest HRRR model. It looks vastly different than the graph model. We don't have model consistency right now, so it's hard to tell exactly how much rain we're going to have. We'll have a better feel for that tomorrow. Mid-50s for the northern parishes of Acadiana, mid to upper 50s to around 60 in Lafayette, and pretty much upper 50s to lower 60s down along the coast. So 10 degrees cooler tomorrow morning. You'll notice the difference. It's going to feel pretty good out there. So in Lafayette, we go 60 for the low. Again, the normal low this time of year is 51 degrees. Generally fair skies out there with that moon getting a little bit bigger. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny and mild. More clouds as we head into the latter part of the afternoon, early evening hours, and they should be rolling in on your screen from right to left or from east to west as we head into tomorrow evening. As we look at that 10-day forecast, tomorrow, nice day, a 70% chance of showers and storms. Not everybody sees rain, not everybody sees storms, so it's going to be scattered in nature. Breezy, cooler for Thursday. Look at this, highs in the lower 70s, lows in the mid-50s. A little bit of a warm-up for the weekend, still looking good. Few showers next week, and we'll keep our fingers crossed on this front. GFS is going for it, Euro saying not so, but we could see some chillier weather in 10 to maybe 14 days. It may have to wait closer to Thanksgiving, but it's coming eventually. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little later on in the show.